Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Peller and Jervis. And this one, Peller is making a sumptuous meal for his beloved wife, his bride to be. Just watch and see what he made. And the gist, a lot of gist, honestly. This is so funny.
So guys, I cook Mexican mulatto egg with a Mexican yam. Yes, this cooking of a thing is not that I learn this anywhere. No, is the way my mommy born me. One of my mommy, like, let me explain to you guys. I've explained to my baby, but when my mommy, that is a sweet coffee, they call it sweet coffee. When my mommy, I make her cough inside. Cool, from inside my mama belly, make my mama be like, because now she tell me the story. He said when they pregnancy, say her stomach, under her stomach, they only hot. They only go to us, no, they do me.
Sorry.
Like, they only go to hospital. They only go to hospital and go there. Every time her stomach dey hot for under. So then use that stethoscope to check the stomach. They come tell her say, now your pikin dey cook inside your stomach. Say na professional. If I not become a swimmer, na cooker.
What which of the cooker? In the kitchen. I don't feel like I can cook.
No, I'm.
Maybe you be cooking like this till dead was part. Oh.
You go shut.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir. I'm happy.
You see that cooking when you and your friend go do? Man, is at this center. On our tour like this, you tell those people they shop like they would. Now, me, I don't know what you're not to cook, but
Stop, you have to defend me.
But no, I know you sabi cook like mad. But if I did here on a two and on a goodie like this, if I cook for anybody boyfriend, I say the person will come they do for me. I'm not capping. I be cooker, profession. Delicious.
Baby girl treatment.
Yam and eggs. Yeah, show the yam. Very fine yam and egg. This Mexican Parioton egg. And there is Spaniel alichot yam.
My husband can cook and I can cook. What does that simplify? Easy life. Yeah. Jesus, babe.
Real cooker don't cough. Real cooker don't cough. You are not a real cooker, you are come off for you.
Sorry,
Real
sir.
cooker don't
I'm not coughing.
Really,
Which simply means that when I'm tired, you will cook, and when it's tired, I will cook. Like, we'll be sharing the labor, right? Maybe she'll be sharing the division of labor.